In this video, I'll show you how to remove Google Chrome extensions. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, click the Extensions icon in the top right corner of the browser. It looks like a small jigsaw puzzle piece. From the menu that appears, click Manage Extensions. This will open the Extensions page, where you'll see all of the extensions currently installed in your browser. If you only want to disable an extension, simply toggle the switch next to it to turn it off. To completely remove an extension, click the Remove button beneath the extension you want to uninstall. When the confirmation pop-up appears, click Remove again to confirm. Some extensions may briefly open a feedback page in a new tab after being removed. If that happens, you can simply close the tab. Once you return to the Extensions page, you'll see that the extension has been removed from Google Chrome. That's all there is to it. That's how to remove Google Chrome extensions. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel